index, man. So everybody talks about the dollar index and the importance of it, but really what people don't do is break down the other currencies into their indexes. Lloyd's up to talk about currency index strength. Lloyd, what have you got for us?
Hi, Paul. So let me grab the screens. Okay. So let's have a review of last week according to what the currency indices gave us. Oops. What did I do? So last week, according to currency indices, we actually had two trades set up for us. One is actually on euro pound. So this actually sets up beautifully. You can see that price breaks. It actually broke last week, and the retest was beautiful. So still in this trade. The second trade that I didn't manage to get in, but it's still set up, is actually dollar Swiss. It did test the level that it's supposed to test, but I didn't trade any of the price actions here. Wasn't really that definitive for me. But still, price actually took off, which was nice to know. Now, this week, what we do have is actually, again, I feel pretty bullish about the dollar index. You can see that previously I had a horizontal level marked out at 92.2. Price broke and it still remains above it. Yeah. So I still think that price actually goes up to 95. Shouldn't have much of an issue with that. When we look at the daily chart, it really forms a very nice cyclicity. Price goes high, low, and now it's still going up. So we might expect some dollar cyclicity this week, as in price might just go lower, probably bounce off. That's what it does. And then it will just continue its merry way. Yeah. So next up, bottom of my list is actually the Canadian index. Now, Canadian index, when we have a look at it, is that price is actually very near a strong horizontal level, which is $80. Yeah. So, but looking at from all the way to April, last year April to now, we can safely conclude that this is the Canadian index is on a very, very nice uptrend. Yeah. So at this moment, even though it's near a horizontal level, I know, according to the price action on the daily chart, there's still no reason to believe that price might actually turn around. Yeah, just be very careful. I wouldn't suggest trading straight into 80. If price breaks and a retest, then that might be a signal for us to actually go long. Yeah, but it's still worth looking out for. A British pound is a bit hazy on the manner. Price is still on an uptrend, got rejected by 140, and that has been on a consolidation since. Yeah, so on the daily chart, price actually did test 140, got whacked down, had a false breakout, and then it went back straight into the consolidation zone again. Now on Monday, this is crucial to me. If price remains within the box, then we might have a play for price to actually go back up to 140 again. Yeah, so might have a pretty near take profit level, but it's still worth a play. Overall, it's still looking strong for British pound. I think it needs some momentum to break through 140. Now, Kiwi price is near $70. It has broken out of its consolidation since last week. So now it's at a strong horizontal level. When we look at the daily charts, we can see that price actually broke it already. Now it's coming back for a retest. Now, coming Monday, any indication that price is rejecting 70, then I'll actually go on Kiwi short already. Yeah, so this is worth definitely worth keeping a lookout for. Aussie, if you look on the weekly chart, price is still ranging, so I don't have much interest in it. Now, Euro price has already weakened already. So officially, I can say that this is actually on a downtrend. When we look at the daily chart, you can see that price broke the horizontal level, might have a fair bit of retracement till midweek. Then from there, I'll be placing a short position for Euro. This will be a pretty standard play. Yen and Swiss being both of them are the safe haven currency, I think they're still going to weaken. I don't see anything in the way. Just that for Yen, it's fast coming to this $90 level. Yeah. So anybody who has a short Yen position, suggest you keep a lookout for. And Swiss, now Swiss, I think is the weaker of both pairs. If you are into the safe haven currency play, then I would actually be shorting Swiss more than the Yen. Yeah. So Swiss, it has a huge way to go, yeah, from here 106 to $100. Now with that, for this upcoming week, the two currency that I'm looking to trade will be dollar yen. Let's have a look at the H4 chart. You can see that I have a very nice, to me, this is a bearish, bullish flag. Yeah, just waiting for price to actually break out. And once it breaks out, a retest of this area, the upper zone, then I'll be happy to go in for a long position. And the next pair that I'm keeping a lookout for is actually CAD Swiss. Now this will be the stronger pair in play. Yeah, so you can see that price actually broke. Now some may see this as an inverted head and shoulder. It doesn't matter what I see. All I see is a level, price broke, waiting for a retest, and then I'll be going for a long position. Yeah. So these are the two currencies that I'll be looking to trade for the upcoming week. That's all.
Cheers, Lloyd. Thanks for that, and great to see you on camera, mate. Thanks for getting the camera organised and being on screen.